Understanding microeconomics and its role in enhancing a small MEP engineering firm's profitability. Microeconomics is the study of economic behavior at the individual, firm, and industry level. It focuses on understanding how entities make decisions about resource allocation, production, and consumption. For a small mechanical, electrical, and plumbing MEP engineering firm, microeconomic principles can offer valuable insights for strategic pricing, market identification, and profitability optimization. By utilizing microeconomic tools, such a firm can effectively navigate the competitive landscape, price its services accurately, and identify new market opportunities. Microeconomics and pricing strategy. Pricing is a critical aspect of a small MEP engineering firm strategy, as it directly influences revenue, market positioning, and client acquisition. Here's how microeconomic concepts can aid in developing a sound pricing strategy. 1. Understanding elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand measures how sensitive the demand for a product is to changes in price. An MEP engineering firm must understand whether its services are price elastic or inelastic. For instance, essential services like compliance and safety checks might be inelastic, while high-end design services could be more price-sensitive. If the firm determines that the demand for its services is inelastic, it might have more room to increase prices without losing many clients. Conversely, if demand is elastic, the firm should focus on maintaining competitive prices to avoid losing clients to competitors. Source: Mankiw and G. 2020. Principles of Microeconomics. Cengage Learning. 2. Cost-plus pricing versus value-based pricing. Microeconomics encourages a detailed understanding of production costs, which includes both fixed costs, overheads like office rent, and variable costs, materials and labor. Cost-plus pricing involves setting prices based on the cost of providing the service plus a profit margin. On the other hand, value-based pricing considers the perceived value to the customer. This approach can be more profitable if the MEP firm can differentiate itself through expertise or unique solutions, allowing it to charge a premium. Understanding the cost structures and aligning them with client value perceptions allows for flexible and dynamic pricing strategies, leading to better profit margins. Source: Kotler P. and Armstrong G. 2021. Principles of Marketing. Pearson Education. 3. Competitive pricing analysis. Microeconomic principles emphasize the importance of understanding the competitive landscape. A competitive pricing analysis involves evaluating the prices charged by competitors and adjusting one's prices to remain competitive. For instance, if a small MEP firm notices that its competitors are charging higher rates for energy-efficient design services, it can adjust its pricing strategy to capture a larger market share or add more value to its existing offerings. This analysis is particularly useful in identifying areas where the firm can offer competitive advantages, such as bundled services, unique expertise, or better customer service. Source: Varian HR 2019. Intermediate Microeconomics, a Modern Approach. W. Norton and Company. Identifying New Markets Through Microeconomic Analysis. In addition to pricing strategies, microeconomic concepts can help an MEP engineering firm identify new market opportunities to expand its client base and increase profitability. 1. Market segmentation and targeting. Market segmentation is the process of dividing a market into distinct groups with similar needs or characteristics. For an MEP firm, this might mean segmenting clients based on industry, e.g., commercial, industrial, residential, project size, or geographic location. By understanding the unique needs and willingness to pay of different segments, the firm can tailor its services to meet those specific needs. For example, targeting environmentally conscious clients with energy-efficient HVAC solutions or focusing on high-growth sectors like data centers can be strategic. Microeconomics provides tools like demand analysis and consumer behavior studies, which help identify which segments are underserved or willing to pay a premium for specialized services. Source: Perloff, J.M., 2020. Microeconomics. Pearson Education. 2. Analyzing market structures and entry barriers. Understanding the market structure in which the MEP firm operates, whether it's monopolistic competition, oligopoly, or a more competitive market, can guide strategic decisions. For example, in a monopolistic competition where firms differentiate their services, the MEP firm can focus on creating a niche for itself, such as specializing in LEED certification or sustainable design. Additionally, analyzing entry barriers helps the firm assess the feasibility of entering new geographic markets. Lower entry barriers, e.g., fewer regulations, lower initial investment, might make certain markets more attractive. Source: Carlton, D.W., and Perloff, J.M., 2019. Modern Industrial Organization. Pearson Education. 3. Utilizing game theory for competitive strategy. Game theory, a branch of microeconomics, can be used to anticipate and react to competitors' moves. This is particularly useful in competitive markets where pricing strategies or new service launches can trigger responses from competitors. For example, if a competitor lowers their price for a particular service, the MEP firm can use game theory to decide whether to match the price or differentiate itself through quality or additional services. Such strategic decision-making helps ensure that the firm maintains its competitive edge and prevents price wars that can erode profit margins. Source: Dixit A. and Nalebuff B. 2021. The Art of Strategy: A Game Theorist's Guide to Success in Business and Life. Norton and Company. Enhancing profitability through efficiency and optimization. Microeconomics also emphasizes the importance of efficiency in production and resource allocation, which is crucial for a small MEP engineering firm's profitability. 1. Optimal resource allocation. Analyzing how resources are allocated, such as labor, materials, and time, can help identify inefficiencies. Using marginal analysis, the firm can determine the optimal level of resources to allocate to different projects. For instance, by analyzing the marginal cost and marginal revenue of different service offerings, the firm can focus on those with the highest returns. This ensures that resources are directed toward the most profitable projects. Source: Varian H.R. 2019. Intermediate Microeconomics: A Modern Approach. Norton and Company. 2. Economies of scale. As the firm grows, it can achieve economies of scale, which means that the average cost of providing services decreases as the volume of services increases. This could involve negotiating better rates for materials, using more advanced technology, or optimizing processes to reduce labor hours. Achieving economies of scale can give the firm a competitive advantage, allowing it to lower prices while maintaining profitability or to increase profit margins by maintaining prices. Source: Mankiw N.G. 2020. Principles of Microeconomics. Cengage Learning. Conclusion: Leveraging microeconomics for strategic growth. Microeconomic principles provide a comprehensive toolkit for small MEP engineering firms to enhance their profitability.